Good evening, my dear student. Good evening, my dear student, and welcome to my blog. Okay, for today's blog or for this night's blog, I will be doing the feedbacking of what you did, okay, on your activity sheets in your science grade 9, grade 10, grade 11, and the grade 12 is not here yet because this week is their first week of doing their activity sheets from their modules, okay. But before any further, if you're new to my channel, please like and then subscribe or share if you do. Okay, so without any further ado, let's continue right away. Now, I have two videos that talks about how to do with your modules and your activities. And for this week, it's a little bit considerate. I will be considerate enough to accept, okay, to accept everything that you did in your activity sheets because anyway, this is your first week. And then for grade 10 and grade 11, still acceptable for this week because there might be an instructions there that confuse them. Well, for the grade 9, that is understandable, okay? Though they should follow instructions, no? They should follow instructions, but because they are new to my instructions and the way I handle their science, it's acceptable. But for a good side of it, no, I would like to congratulate I think around 80% of the grade 9 are doing well in their activity sheets. Grade 9, okay, the grade 9, they are new to my subject, no, they are new to my subject, but they did very good, okay. The grade 10, in the other hand, they were with me last year for their science 9, but good, but 50-50, okay, in population for this, 50-50. Still, there are those that did not follow the instructions, okay? And for the grade 11, majority, so it's around 90% of them, really did well in their activity sheets and handling the modules, okay? So without anything more to ad-lib, no, I would like to start right away now. For the grade 9, I will say it again, it is considerable for this week because they are new, okay? So, and also, I will be showing your different activity sheets, and then as I go on, I will show here in the video the names, okay, of this particular person, but I will not mention it. And then those who were able to know them, you can message them or tell them that their work has been posted over here, okay? So they would know and they will see. So what are the things that you should do first before doing this? I said I have two videos that actually give details what to do with your activity sheets and what to do with your modules, okay? And then from then I give also step-by-step instructions in doing so. And I really believe that based on the activity sheets that I have prepared for you, all activity sheets from the modules are well explained in the written instruction. That's why in our page I write there, please follow instructions. But then again, in the video, I know and I noticed that you just did not complete the whole video. That's why you miss some informations in it. That's why it leads you not to complete or not to follow the instructions in your activity sheets. Okay, let's start right away. Now first, this one. Okay, this is also considerable because it's first. Now in science 9, 10, 11, and 12, I only require black ball pen. Okay, now here's the first one, okay? Here's the first one. What is the problem? The instruction here is you have to write the answer. You have to write the answer, labeling the parts. You have to write the answers in the space provided. What she did. Okay. You're not supposed to answer here, but rather here. Okay. The honor is this one. Okay. So no. Please read instructions. Another one. You're not supposed to send to me or send back the module. Why? Because you only have to answer the activity sheets, not the module. Okay? And then here's this good person, this student. He sent back the module. He write his name here in the module, and then he answered the module but not the activity sheets. Okay? The module is answered but not activity sheets. You will pass only the activity sheets and not the module. Okay. Next. Here. Okay. Here's this one. Okay. What he did also is, now here. Your parents were told during our parents meeting that in our code of honesty for the student, it should be the student that would answer. How would I know that he is actually learning? Okay, here's the thing. This person, okay, this is his penmanship. Okay, it's very clear. But at the back, the penmanship is not his, okay, or hers. So which means it is not he or she that answers the activity sheets. Next. Okay, it's another one. Okay. This one. Okay. What he did is, he completely answered here, and very good, it's very clean. He also answered here. Okay. This is an example of a person or a student that follow instruction. This one. What he did, he answered completely over here. Okay. And he did follow the instruction. Okay. He answered here. Okay. Here, if you have to use an additional paper, please write in the blank space that you added a additional paper so that I will not be looking for it. Okay. So here he did not answer that one, but his answer was written here at a clean paper. So it's very good. So this is a very good example of a person, of a student who follow instruction. Next, here, another one, he sent back his module. The module should not be sent, but rather the activity sheets. Okay. Next one, okay. One of the crucial thing, or very difficult for the teachers to locate for you, is when you don't write your name. Okay. He did all the answering. Okay. He did answer all and provided all the answer here as well as in the activity, and he provide here, but the wrong thing here is without any name. Okay, good luck. I cannot give a grade to that because there's no name, and I will not locate for you anymore. Another thing, okay, this is the honor. What he did, he answered, okay, and he did not complete. And again, he sent back his activity module. Modules, once again, should not be returned back to the school or to the teacher unless otherwise you are told to do so. But in science, I am not requiring that because the module should be answered by you, pre-test, and then you do the activity and then you answer the post-test after all the activities is done. But the module will stay at home. Only the activity sheets will be returned back. Okay, next. Again, another student. Okay, he is sending back also his module, which is wrong because he is sending the module and not the activity sheets. So how could I know that he's learning something, or he did answer, or he will be getting a score? He will not be getting a score because he has no activity done. Okay. Next, another one. Okay. Here's a very good example also, okay, from this student. What she did is she completed the whole thing, answered completely and correctly, followed the instruction, and because she thought and she believed that the space provided is not enough, so she provided a very good picture of her experiment and her observations. Okay, so congratulations to this student. Okay, next. Another one. Okay, another student. Okay, now first, because you are already grade 9. Okay, And you know that because you are grade 9, you know already what is the basic or the correct way of writing proper nouns. Proper nouns are name of person, places, and thing. Therefore, if you write a name, it should be capitalized. Look what he did. Okay. So from here, it's already wrong. Okay. Here, it's already wrong. Okay. And then, he did not complete the activity at the back. So meaning, that will be, he don't have any score for that. Okay. And then another honor here. Another one. Okay. The section, there is no grade 9 under St. Thomas. St. Thomas is grade 8. Okay. And then, she did not answer activity 2. Okay. Activity 2 is not answered, okay, by this student. Okay. Now, that is for the grade 9. Now, let's go to the grade 10. Okay. Now, there are those good one and still there are those who did not follow the instruction. Okay. The same mistake with the grade 9, but then again grade 10 supposedly know this because they were under me last year with their science 9. Okay, I will give you first the good example of good student who did follow the instructions completely. First is this one. Okay, this student, very good. She posted her experiment. Okay, she posted the experiment here. Okay, and then she completed the whole thing, answered the whole thing, and then answered at the back all her observations, and then the activity sheets is very clean, okay, very neat also. Okay, another good student who followed the instruction is this student. Okay, she also completed and posted her experiment, okay, on the space provided for, and then neatly answered all her observations and the test questions, okay, front and back. And then the test paper also is very clean and neat. Okay, another one mistake is I don't know. Okay, you try to look for this student. He passed his activity sheets without any observations, without any answers at the back. So, how could I give score to him? Okay. Next one. Here's also another good example, okay, of a student who does her experimentation and who answered completely and the work is very clean. Okay. Another student also from grade 10. Okay, very good experimentation, very good experiment, and answered all the activities very good also, very neat. Okay, another one. Okay, I do not know if I will be happy with this one because he is already grade 10. He passed his activity sheet, his module rather, and then the activity sheets is not attached, but rather he answered. Okay, he answered the module, passed the module without the activity sheets. Okay, I don't know who is he. He posted his experiment at the back. Okay, that's it. Without any name, who is he? There is no name, so therefore, it will not be credited to him again. Okay. Another one also, who made his experiment and does all his observation, but again, there is no name. This is what he or she did. Sayang, no? It will not be credited because there is no name. Another one. Okay. Another one, he make experimentation. I said, the instruction is very clear. Post your experiment or your observation on the space provided for. Here in the picture, what he did is he put his picture, he attached the picture at the back. It's not in the back. You have to cut this off and post it over the space provided for. And the owner is this one. Okay. Next. Okay. Another one who sent me the module. Okay. And then another one also, this one. Okay. He's always online with me and making a good comment, and yet he did not follow the instruction. This one should be enough, not too big, so that you can paste it here in the observation circle. Okay, what he did, he print the big one. Okay, he print the big one. This should be cut and been float in the water for their observation. The owner is this one. Next, now if you make also, this is the owner. If you make this experimentation, it's very clear. How could you paste this one when it's too big in the space provided for? The owner is this one. And then there's one student again. He sent me his module. Okay. He sent the module and the activity sheets, but the activity sheets is not answered. Okay. That's the name of the owner. Okay. And then there's no answer. He answered the module, but not answering the activity sheets. Okay. Another one here. Okay. It's the owner. He did all the observation. And how come he make all the observation without the he answered all the questions but no observation from the experimentation? And how could you do that without experimentation? Okay. Here's another one. Okay. Passing the module and sending back to me this picture. I don't need this picture. You need to have your observation and your experimentation. That's for the grade 10. Now let's go to grade 11. Grade 11. Now the owner is this one. Okay. Many times over and over again, and this particular student knows from his grade 9 and grade 10 that the only color of pen that we will be using in science is only black. And he is using this one. Okay. It's all blue. Okay, next, this one. Another one. Okay. During the video, I said if the space in the activity sheets is not enough, you have to provide a clean bond paper and not yellow pad paper. Because this is not formal team, but rather this is science activity sheets. Okay? Next one. So there are also very good students, such as this one. Rather this one. Okay, who answered the activity very clean, answered everything. Okay, so that's the owner. Okay, now this one, that's the owner. Okay, no answer, but we're able to answer at the back. How come? Another one also very good. Okay. This one is a new student, but she was able to answer everything. She did answer everything. Okay? So very good, this student. Okay. Another one. Okay, this is also a very good student also. Okay? He answered everything completely and very neatly and concisely. Okay, another student also who answered very good and complete. Very good answer. Everything is answered. Okay. Now, here's another one. Okay. Now, I said that you will answer only around, I think, limited number of words. Not this much because you can, this answer, because anyway he's new, this one, this student. Okay, your answer, okay, you have to summarize them. Do not give me as many papers as this one. Okay, because this one will be answered only in your module. Okay, so what you will do is just concisely answering the activity sheets. Then another one, okay, this one. Okay. In the video instruction, I said, if the space is not enough, then you have to add white bond paper, not a pad paper. Okay? So it's like that. So it will not be credited good. Okay? So what is our conclusion then? Therefore, this one would connote that you are not following instructions. Though this week, This is our first week and first observation, meaning all of this one is considerable. We will consider this one and we will make credit with this one, but your parents were able to come here earlier in the school rather earlier this afternoon and took your new activity. Therefore, please do it correctly. One, read the instruction carefully, and then you follow, use black pen and follow the step-by-step procedures. Do not send me back your module, but rather you will only send your activity sheets. In case that you have any confusions or any doubt or any inquiries, you can only drop your message to me. You can chat me or you can comment in any videos that we have. Okay. Now, since it's already done and I'm just making that feedbacking fast because we'll be consuming much time here. Now, because this is in a video, once again, I will check again how many will like, how many will subscribe, and how many will make a comment. I know some of you will not finish completely the whole video. That's why you will not get the proper information. Once again, thank you. Please like and then subscribe. Okay? See you. Thank you for watching. Bye.